you can create iframes fairly straightforward and easily. So I'm going to preview this for you. It would help a whole heck of a lot if I saved that first. Okay, so this has some errors in it. I forgot my dot slash, so I can go back out here and refresh it. Okay, so this iframe is picking up the travel website, the first page. I haven't done any real formatting or CSS on this, but you can see it's in here. So let's look at that code. So an iframe, you're just telling it its source, and then you set a width. And I actually kind of like 90% on these. And we can, of course, go into our CSS, add a styles, and so body, yeah, we can use that. And then I would add an iframe. I want the width to be 90, the height to be, we're going to do this one by pixels. And then H1. Let's make the color a dark purple. And let's do, and let's save it. Okay, now I can go back and I need to link the two pages. And then we can see that this should be working and look a little bit better. But I didn't center it. Easy enough to fix. And so you want to, especially when you're using the code suggestions here, you always want to test, test, test. And I forgot. Display block. There we go. Okay, so my next step is I want to use YouTube. Now, YouTube's really easy. It's actually the easiest. So I'm going to go grab my, here we'll grab using images, step 5. I should be able to share, embed, and notice it gives me the iframe information right here. So I'm going to grab this. Now we're going to have to do a little bit of modification to the code coming from YouTube. I like to not define the width and the height because I'm doing it in my CSS. So I'm saving that. Going back out here and giving it a quick refresh. And then you can see the difference here is one has a border, one doesn't. When this one's letting you scroll here, which is fine. So iframes are really easy, and they exist to let you embed another site inside of your site. You want to look through the documentation at the W3 schools, but it's pretty straightforward. Normally I use it for things like YouTube. Um, I did allow this one to have all of the defaults pretty much from YouTube. Completely your choice on that. Here I didn't. Here I just wrote the code myself. Travel index with 90% height, 500 pixels. Now here I should actually get rid of this because I styled it in CSS and we don't want to override it. So I should be able to save that. Whenever you do a change like that, you should go back and you should test it again. And it looks exactly the same. So iframes are pretty straightforward. You'll want to go and do a link to one of your prior assignments, a link to YouTube, read through the iframe stuff on the W3 schools, and make sure to take the quiz on it.